Hello guys, welcome to Techno Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I show how to clear paper jam error 050111 in Fujifilm Apeos C325dw, C325Z, C328df, and C328dw printers. Thanks for watching. If you learn anything in this video, please give a like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just pin a comment.